Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you another food photography project that I have been involved with and provide you with some tips and tricks for photographing similar kind of project. So Universal Meat Company has become one of my regular food photography clients for their frozen range of products, and their brief to me was to style and photograph the products to represent how they're going to look like on the consumer's dinner table. They use these photographs for their packaging as well as their various advertising platforms they have. So when you get a frozen piece of meat like this, you have a blank canvas. It's very, very different from when you're actually working with a chef that they present you with a gorgeous plate of food, and obviously there's a certain amount of interaction goes on there as well, but this is very, very different. This is blank canvas, and you have to start thinking, well, when this piece of meat is cooked, think about the colors, think about the textures, and what props you're going to use for that particular product, what you're going to use in the background in order to make it more enticing and mouth-watering, how you're going to compose it so that it looks generous, or maybe you just want to represent a dinner party kind of feel to it. The other thing you have to think about is these products, by their nature, they are very similar, so you need to make them sufficiently different in terms of foreground, background, the colors you use, so that the consumers can actually distinguish between one product and the other. And then you have to think about your lighting, obviously. Meat is very, very difficult to photograph, so you really have to be careful how you light your product. Photographing this sort of products is quite hard work, but extremely rewarding, and when you think from where you have come from and how the product has ended up, it's very, very rewarding job to do. I hope you like the photographs. Please leave some comments, and also what I really would like to know from you, if you were in the supermarket, just let me know which one of these you would take home with you for your dinner tonight.